Today I'm going to show you how to do a front swipe switch for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz, the channel that's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we're going to be getting into the second set of moves for grounded switch flips, which is a front swipe switch. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your front scoot switch. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. Washu, why are you trying to quit tricking, Washu, huh? Hey, if we can get Washu to not quit tricking, then we'll get Sailor Moon tutorial guaranteed. But if he quits, no Sailor Moon tutorial for you, ever. No, but seriously, Washu, don't quit tricking, come on. You're a tricker now. So a front swipe switch is a very good move to get because it is going to help you out doing your cartwheel switches and other advanced switch moves later on. So when you start this move, you're gonna be starting in a frontside stance with your swing leg down on the ground and your other leg in front of you. You're going to shift your momentum to your front leg and start to reach for the ground with your hand, kicking your back leg up, and then you're going to jump off your other leg and switch it through, finishing the move, a backside stance. Yee. Now, don't forget, we got the variation. So we got a spin, we got a follow through, and we got a spin and follow through. So make sure you get those because we're all going to be doing them later on in combinations. And as for tips for this move, just again, make sure that you're actually bringing your swipe leg up and then you're switching through at the top. Try not to switch too soon or it will make it harder for you to get around. Let's check those out one more time. Tricking tips, none. There's no tricking tips today. Nobody sent me anything. So if you would like some tricking tips on these videos, all you gotta do, leave a comment down below, send me a video, bam, that easy. So that's it for today's video. I just wanna say thank you to all the patrons who are supporting this channel. It means a lot to me, guys. It means a lot. Next, we're gonna be getting into a pop front scoot switch, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Keep tricking, stay motivated. Guys.